Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. Hope you're all doing fine nowadays. It's been a long time that I didn't upload a video on YouTube, but today I'm going to show you how to create animated pop-ups that you can use for your videos, which I created in Keynote application of my Apple devices. So, hope you're going to enjoy. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Let's see the animated created pop-ups how to do. Hey guys, what's up again? So let's start to create our animated pop-ups. First of all, go to Keynote in your iPad or iPhone or in your Mac device. Create a presentation and choose a template. I'm choosing here the white template, as you see here on my scroll, and we have our templates here. So keep one of these texts and delete one of them, and then go to click one on the page and then go to edit, and then you can choose here background and choose none. We are choosing none because we want to make our animation transparent when we want to use in our video. So as we see here, background is transparent right now. Okay, type in the text, edit, and choose the color white. Come back and choose, you can choose whatever you want, but I'm choosing Helvetica Neue, and here black, smudged like black here, and then I'm typing here subscribe and doubling it, copy paste, and right here whatever you want. I'm just gonna write what I already created and I'm repeating it. Yeah, it will be appreciated. Okay, the next step is to add your logo. Go to your photos and choose here your YouTube logo and come back here and make it a little bit smaller and place it in the middle. It doesn't matter how big it is, but I'm just doing it like this because I can already, after creating as a movie or exporting it as a movie from Keynote, can also edit it in LumaFusion size of my video. So I'm going to choose again this text and play it a little bit with the size, yeah, here and like this. Okay, and place it here, and again the same here. I'm placing this as well here. Okay, a little bit down. Yeah, it's looking much better like this. And add another object here and then edit it, change the color to white and choose the width of it. I can do 7, and you can choose here the style of it. So either this, but I like this one. Make it a little bit flat here. Yeah, place it here. Looks nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we created our pop-up template and then we want to add some effects on it. So just want YouTube logo come from left to right with a sliding, and these two texts should be also coming with a, we can do this actually, it's like a hammer coming from top to the bottom and hitting here, and we can use also sliding effect for our one object and two texts. We can use this sliding effect for the intro. Let's start with our logo. Choose the logo and then come here, choose effects, and then here add intro and choose sliding. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking cool. Okay, after this sliding effect intro, I wanna add a little bit vibration on the logo. You see, like this. I don't know, you can choose another one, but let's see how it looks. Yeah, but I will choose this one. Yeah, we are done. And then I want to add fade out effect. So what we can do here, generally choosing this one, it's giving a really perfect effect on the logo. Do the same for 3 objects, 1 object and 2 texts. Choose one of the texts and then go again here, effects, add intro. In this one I will add sliding effect. Let's find the sliding effect. Yeah, here. And then I don't add any action on this text, and also 3, actually 2 of them also. I will not add anything, but here the end, I want again the fade out while it's ending. Yeah, I'm done with this. And then do the same for object here, add an intro sliding, and then add an end. And for the second text we will do the same. Add an intro here by sliding, and then come back and add an end. The same effect with the others. Yeah, okay. We created our effects, and then what we need to do, just go again to effects and then click here for choosing the priority or the order of your effects. First of all, I want this logo come by sliding, or I don't know, hammer effect, whatever you choose. And then I want this effect, the vibration of the logo, and I will take this to the end. And the second objects, I mean here in the second part of this animation, I want the objects come together. So let's see. Choose this first. When you touch, it will start, but I say after I started, it should start also. So I'm choosing this one, and then for this one also, after one I'm choosing, and then it will order automatically. Here the third one, it's subscribe, and I want them to come after together with the second one, and then here it will go and this should be the second text also should be with them by sliding. 3 of them will slide together. So let's choose first together with second one, and then we will check subscribe after the 5th effect, and then a logo again after with the 6th effect, and 6th effect and 6th effect together. They should go. So now we have our order from logo, intro, sliding and vibrating, and then subscribe, and this line, and it will be appreciated text will come together with the vibration of our logo. So let's see again what we have chosen here. For the first one we chose after you start the video, it will go automatically, and then the second one is after the first one, it will go an action, and the third one will act with the second one together, and here 3 of them will act together with the second one. And the end of the effect, I want all of them end together, but here you have to start with the 6th action right after the 5th action. When this is done, it should be starting, you know, to fade out, and these 3 should start with the 6th together and fade out together. So let's see how it looks like. By the way, I will say to you that you can play on timing of the actions by clicking here. You see the timing is 1.2050 seconds. Here is 1 second, and come back, and then see the fade out is 2.50 seconds. And for the others as well, it should be the same, 1.25 seconds, and we have here 2.50 seconds, and for this one as well should be the same. Yeah, it's the same, okay. And for the latest one, we have the same timing. Okay, so it looks cool. Let's see again how it looks like. Yeah, perfect.